everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a party room for Starmaker. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go to your Starmaker from your app list and make sure you're signed in. After you're signed in, tap on Party icon located right beside the social icon at the bottom of the screen, and to create a party room, click on My Room at the upper right. Now tap on the plus icon located at the upper right corner and you can create a room of your own. To upload your cover photo, tap on the camera icon at the upper part of the screen. Take a photo or choose from your gallery. Select the picture of your choice and tap Choose. You've uploaded a cover photo for your party room. Now type in the room name. Once you're done, tap on the Done button at the upper right corner. You've set a name for your party room on Starmaker. Now let's move on the next row. Tap on Room Mode and you can select Solo Mode and Multi-Mode for your room. Tap on your choice, and on the next row, tap on Who Can Join and select the people that you would want to join your party room. If you want literally anyone to join your room, then tap on Anyone. If you want the people that you follow to join, then tap on Room Owners Following. And if you want local users only, then tap on Local Users Only. Let me tap on Anyone, and under Who Can Sing, it has been automatically set to anyone, as you can see. Now select the language. You have multiple languages you can select from over here. Let me select English. After you are done, tap on Done at the upper right. You have successfully created a party room for your Starmaker. Here's a short introduction for party room. Tap on Next to explore. Once you are done, this is your party room. You'll be able to see your ID and your rank. At the top you can see the one icon. Tap on the icon and that is your level icon. Go through the rules, what it has to say, and scroll down until you find icon lightning tasks. Complete the task that has been listed below. You've already completed 2 tasks. Now to complete the next one, tap on Set the room announcement not less than 30 characters. Now let us do it. Tap on Announcement and announce for your party room, and type in the announcement for your party room. This is my announcement. Once you have typed in your announcement, tap on Done at the upper right. Now go back and tap on the one icon again. Now the last tasks you need to do is to upload your photo. Just like that, complete other tasks as well and your icon will light up. And that is how it is done. That is how you can create party room on Starmaker for other people to join in and sing together with your followers or literally anyone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.